Hi guys, welcome to today's video on how to make 2000 Naira every day online in 2023. So if you are looking for a platform to at least to earn 2000 Naira every single day online, then make sure you watch this video to the end, because I'm going to show you my withdrawals and what I've earned from this particular platform, and that to assure you that it is possible for you to earn more than 2000 Naira online doing just nothing. So make sure you watch this video to the end and see these tactics that I use to earn from this platform. So guys, once again, my name is Qservers and my YouTube online also channel. I make videos around affiliate marketing, blogging, and everything that has to do with making money online. So if this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel online also, so please turn the notification, click the subscribe button and turn the notification bell, so once I make videos like this, YouTube will get to notify you of my new upload. So guys, let's dive into today's video. How do you make money online, or how do you earn 2000 Naira daily online? It's a simple strategy. To get started, the number one thing you need to do is that you need to figure out a platform that is paying people, or that is capable of paying you 2000 Naira every day. So guys, the platform I want to use right here in this video is Owodele. Owodele is one of the best make money online platform right now in Nigeria that will help you. In fact, the platform is so amazing that it will give you access to earn a lot of money online. And in this Owodele platform, you make money online completely doing many tasks, many job, many stuff, and you earn more than 2k every day from this particular platform. I am telling you out of experience, so I'm not just telling you what is not working. So I am telling you what is working, and I'm telling you out of experience. So this is the platform. The link is at the description of this video. Click the link and it will bring you to this platform to sign up. When you click the link, it's going to tell you that you have been invited by Qservers. So Owodele is one of the best make money online platform that will give you the opportunity of earning more than 2000 Naira every day doing many tasks, many jobs, and other stuff like that. I'll be walking you through how to do that, but before I get started, let me log into my account so that you see some money that I've earned and you see what I've withdrawn from the platform as well, so that it will look like I'm just showing you things that are not working, or platform that you are not be able to make money. So watch me as I log into my account right now, but I'm going to pause this video. So as you can see guys, that I've successfully logged into my account. I want to show you so that you'll be sure that this is my account. So you'll be sure that this is my account. So when you successfully log in, this is how it's going to look like. Let me show you so that you'll be sure, or you believe me, that this is my account. You can see me right here. This is me right here, that this is actually my account. And you can see that the platform have earned some money from this particular platform. You see total invite earning, I had about 217,500 Naira already in this platform, and so far so good. I was able to withdraw 17,500 Naira from this platform, and you can see the pending balance that I have about 200,000 Naira pending balance, telling you that this platform is legit and the platform is amazingly paying. And I am sure you can earn more than 2000 Naira from this platform doing just many tasks and many stuff from this platform. So you can see my earning that this platform is actually paying. It's 100% legit, and I've withdrawn, and I'm going to see that I will soon withdraw, and the withdrawal date is every Friday. So now let's get started. How do you do this stuff? Once you are able to successfully sign up an account, to sign up an account on Owodele is just 5,000 Naira, and it is what everybody can afford. So just 5,000 Naira. So once you have been able to successfully sign up an account, and the cool stuff is that you don't even need much referral before you can withdraw. You don't even need referral before you can withdraw, because there are so many activities right in this platform that you can do that will give you opportunity of earning at least 2,000 naira every day without referring any single person. Now, once you've been able to successfully activate and log in, you can see a job. We're going to check out the available job. You see the available job, you see the finished job, you see posted job. I've posted some job in this platform, and if you are coming to Wodele to post some jobs so that people will get those jobs done, you can also come to Wodele and post your job. You see resubmitted jobs and resubmitted job pending. Now let's look at the available job on a Wodele that can give you a lot of money. So you can see right here there are so many jobs in a Wodele that you can do, that is available to you to do. Look at this one. It says share my latest Facebook video on Facebook. When you share this video, you earn 15 naira per this, and all you need to do is click this apply. When you click apply, you are good to go. Now look at this person. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and you earn 15 naira. This person need about 900 subscribers and you're going to earn 15 naira. Now look at this again. YouTube job, follow instruction. That this person need about 1,100 subscribers, 20 naira. Look at this TikTok job. This TikTok job, this person posted the job. It needs 2,000 followers of TikTok, and when you do this job, you're going to earn 20 naira. So there are so many jobs in this platform that you can earn a lot of money doing those many jobs without single referral. Now look at this. You stand a chance of earning about 200 naira for completing this particular job. 200 naira. So you can see it on my screen. So you see, if you complete this job, you're going to earn 200 naira for this particular job. And there are so many jobs in this platform in the Wodele that you can do. You can see that most of the jobs you cannot even consume them daily. You cannot even, because the more you do it, the more they are pasting more job. The more you complete, the more you are getting. And the cool thing is that it is advisable that if a member of Wodele that you log in daily basis, because the job they pasted today you may not be able to see tomorrow. So it is expected of you that every day you make sure you log into your account and check if there are jobs that you can do, and if there are jobs that you can do, you go ahead and do it. Now let's check out this. Let's check one. Look at this Instagram. Then let's click on apply. If you click on apply to that job, it's going to show you a page where you can actually apply to that job. You can see, and also it is important that you read instruction very carefully before you complete any job. He said you read the job instruction carefully, only submit proof after completion. So here is an Instagram job that you can complete. So all it is require is a click here to start job, to follow the person on Instagram. Look at it here. You click start job, then you follow the person on Instagram. Once you have done that, say proof needed by employee is an Instagram name. You submit the Instagram name of that person that you have completed the job, and that is all, and you are completely good to go. If you have anything that you want to write, you can go ahead and write it here. Go ahead and write it here, and you are good to go. You see, all these jobs is what you can do within 5 minutes, 7 minutes, 3 minutes, and you have done with those jobs. Now once you have been able to earn some money, here is wallet. You see, here is where you have deposits. If you want to deposit, that is want to put in job that you want people to do for you. You need to deposit forms, but that is not what we want. So if you want to withdraw, you just come down to withdraw, and you withdraw the minimum of 5,000, and you can do all of these. See the money right here. I earn this money just performing those little activities and little stuff on the platform. So far I've been able to withdraw. You can see it on my screen. You can see it on my screen that I was able to withdraw some money. And also there are some deals that you can do. There are some deals that you can do. There are some business packages that you can also run in this platform. You can see birthday card, for get child, Canva, template, and all that. Now this product, if you are able to promote this product, you are going to earn some commission. Look at this affiliate accelerator course by Frankly Emmanuel. Yes, I know this product. This guy is selling this product for 20k. Now if you pick up this product, let's open it and see what is inside. Now if you want to promote this product, you can decide to promote this product. When you pick it, you can either promote this product either to your email list or to your subscribers, or using Facebook ad to promote this product. You can see this product. This product is selling for 20k. It's selling for 20k. You can see it. Okay, the deep price is 50k. The product is selling for 50k, and your commission is 20k. If you've been able to promote this product and you'll be able to make sales, per sales you're going to make 20,000 naira commission. Is that not amazing? It is amazing. So it's amazing stuff, and all this stuff is what you can do using Facebook ads to promote all this stuff. So what am I trying to say is that there are so many job activities on Wodele that you can complete as an affiliate or as someone who's looking for way to make 2,000 naira every day. You can see there are so many products that you can promote on this platform. You can see there are so many products in this platform that you can promote. And also, if you want to try the referral program, you just come down here, you click on your referral invite, then copy your referral link. Here is my referral link, here is my referral link. Then just come down to this place, click copy, you copy your referral link, you refer your friend, and once you refer your friend, you've been able to earn 2,500 naira. So guys, this is very nice platform that I'm very sure if you put in your best, you can earn more than 2,000 naira every day if you put in your best, just completing those many tasks, many job. Do it, passing out time. You can be on the road and be doing it. You can stay at home, be doing it. You can stay at the bus, at the transport, at taxi, and you can be doing all this stuff, and it will surprise you that at the end of the day you've been able to earn around 2k every day. So Wodele is the best place that I will encourage you to go and get started. Now the question is, how do you get started? How do you sign up an account? I'm going to log out from my account and show you how you can register an account, and also be very sure that you are ready with your registration fee. The registration fee of Wodele is just 5,000 naira one-time registration fee, and you don't have to pay for anything again. So once you click the link, the first link at the description of this video, it's going to tell you that you have been invited by Qservers in the channel. So once you come down to this place, all you need to do is click on this place, join over 23,000 plus member, or click here to become a member. You click here to become a member. This registration process is very simple. It is what everybody and anybody can do. So you come down there, you click on become a member, then you'll be able to sign up an account. My network is a bit bad. Let's wait a bit. Network is a bit bad. So you click on that, become a member, to sign up an account. Then you'll be able to activate your account using any method that you want. My network is a bit bad. Let me pause the video first. So you can see the registration page. You see members registration is very simple. All you need to do is put in your full name, then you put in your username. Right here you put in your email address, you put in your password. I always encourage people to use strong password that people will not easily guess. So you put in your strong password right there. Then here also you put in your phone number, select your country phone number. You see there's so many other countries here. You see Cameroon, you see Canada, you see Kenya here, you see Kenya, and so many other countries. So any country you are right now, you pick in your country. Here is Nigeria. I click on Nigeria, then I put in my phone number. Here says if you are male, you put in male. If you female, you put in yours, and mine is May, so I click on May. Then your country, like I said, you choose your country. They have Nigeria, Ghana, Kenya, Zambia, and so many other countries, South Africa and United States, Canada, United Kingdom. So any country you are, you choose your country. Then your state, you choosing your state. If you're in Abuja, Adamawa, whichever state you are, you choose it. Then your bank, also you choosing your bank. Then here also bank account name, you put in your bank account name. I will advise you that the name you're going to use on a Woodley should be the same name you are using in your bank account. So when you're going to withdraw, you're not going to have issue of maybe Woodley trying to verify maybe you are the real person. So I will advise you use the real name that you have in your bank account to sign up. So once you able to do that, you are not going to have issue of trying to verify before you withdraw your money. Then yes, select question, what is the name of your best friend. So select the question and then you answer it here, you put in the name, then you click here, I am not a robot, then you click submit and continue registration. So once you're able to do that, it's going to take you to another page where you are going to they ask on how to make the payment for account upgrade. Like I said, the registration is 5,000 one-time payment. So once you've been able to get to that page, you can use your Naira card, you can use your dollar card, you can use Bitcoin, any form of payment that you want. You can use it to sign up an account on a way to create your account. And once you've been able to pay online using your card, your account will be activated immediately. But if you want to pay through transfer, through POS, you have to chat with the customer support that you paid, and also fee payment notification payment form, so that they will be aware that you have made payment and they will approve your account within 24 hours. But if you pay online using your card, your account will be approved automatically. So guys, this is just a simple method or simple way or platform that you can use right here in Nigeria to make at least 2,000 Naira every day, doing many tasks and many stuff online. So guys, if you gain value from this video, don't forget to like this video, also share with friends, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel. So once I make videos like this, YouTube will get to notify you of my new video. And if there is any video or any training tutorial that you're expecting me to make or to review or to teach on my YouTube channel, also do let me know at the comment section of this video. Guys, don't forget that announcing does love you. So bye bye guys, see you again.